Welcome back. Making real estate investing easier, Cadre is an online platform for investors. The company is announcing two new services today, Cadre Exchange and Managed Portfolio, both offering direct trading of commercial property shares. Joining us right now is Cadre co-founder, CEO Ryan Williams, and you co-founded the company with Jared and Josh Kushner.
Right.
Congratulations.
Thank
Tell us
you.
about the new service.
Sure. So we recently announced the launch of the Cadre secondary market as well as the Cadre managed portfolio. The Cadre secondary market is the first online market for commercial real estate, so people can buy and sell interest like they buy and sell stocks. We've done more than 40 trades, all at or around the marked value, and we've also launched this managed portfolio so more people can invest with lower minimums.
So just to get this straight, I'm a person who wants to invest and trade real estate, and I see an opportunity for commercial real estate in wherever, some city, and I could actually buy shares of that through your platform.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the way we think about it is the analogy we sometimes use is we're IPOing real estate buildings. And to take a step back, the vision was 4 years ago, I wanted to reinvent how real estate investing worked and who invested in it. I wanted to expand access to the asset class, but do it in a quality way. And so we built this platform where we have an incredible team of investment professionals, but also an engineering team so that people can go online, you can buy and now sell real estate just like you can buy and sell stocks.
And Ron, how long does it take? I know obviously if you go and I make a trade at my brokerage, it's T+3. Right? Now with the new blockchain technology, with crypto and all the other things, you can do it instantly. What about your platform?
Yeah, it's a great question. So the way it works is first we list a property on the platform. And when it's listed, it means it's been approved, vetted by our team. We backstop it. We have a $250 million backstop that allows us to guarantee the funding of the deals. And then 12 months after you've initially invested, you can then opt to sell or trade your interest. And real estate inherently has been pretty illiquid for a long time. That leaves people prone to market swings. And frankly, it's really resulted in a lot of people being on the sidelines, not even having the comfort to participate because, life circumstances change, the market changes. We don't want people to be prone to those market swings. And we're excited about being the first platform, and we think this actually could lead us to a point where we could start going to existing owners of buildings who maybe they need 5% liquidity or 10% liquidity, and they can use our platform to trade.
What kind of buildings so far?
So we've done about 20 properties nationally around the country. We've been everywhere from Atlanta to Sacramento to New York, and we focus on office buildings, multifamily properties. We look at hospitality, industrial, anything that has been operator or management driven.
This is really interesting.
Yeah. Now tell me, right now there's some folks who are saying they're concerned about the real estate market softening.
Yes.
What's your view on the real estate market right now as a whole?
I don't think they're wrong. I mean, I think if you just look at where cap rates are and now interest rates as well, which are clearly correlated, there's a lot of challenges today in finding yield and returns, which makes it even more important, frankly, to have access to a great platform and a great team, as well as liquidity. And so what we've thought about is there are a few verticals, a few asset classes we really like. We like, for instance, Class B multifamily, because people always will need somewhere to live, and there's not a lot of it being built. We like Class A office, because in the suburbs in particular, because there is this re-suburbanization with folks moving outside the city, and there are a lot of people who invested in core markets like the city. And we think you need to have that kind of edge and insight to get alpha today. Otherwise, you're right, it's going to be really tough to make real returns.
So residential has been dropping in price?
Yeah, so residential in certain sectors. So in the Class B multifamily space, yes. Class A, the really nice developments in core markets, that's actually going up. And so again, you've got to be able to have sort of a data edge and an insight that it allows you to find alpha. And again, we want to deliver those same kind of returns and those same opportunities to more people. That's been the genesis of Cadre for 4 years now.
Interesting stuff, Ryan. Really great. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate
Best of luck with that. Ryan joining us there, co-founder of Cadre.